Before you start these exercises, make sure your workspace is clear, and please read the disclaimer on the Actif North Wales website. This is an intermediate strength and balance session. We will be using our body weight to perform the movements. I've got a chair nearby. If you need one for support, please get one. These could be done while waiting for the photocopier or the kettle to boil. We're going to do 7 exercises, 2 sets of 10, but we're going to do 1 set to begin with for our warm-up. Only do what feels right for you. Let's begin. We're going to begin with some toe raises. Use your chair for support if you need. We're going to lift the toes and then lower down. So try and find a spot that's eye level that you can look straight at. You don't have to use the chair, but it's there if you need. Just ensure you don't push your bottom out. You keep that back nice and straight. Hope you're counting. I think this is 8. My chair's a bit wobbly. Apologies for the shakiness. Good. Okay, I'm going to use my chair for the next one. I'm going to sit to stand. But I'm not going to sit down. It's just warming up those hips. Just make sure your toes are facing forwards. Your eyes are looking straight ahead. Keep moving, whether you're on the chair, behind the chair. Remember, this is a warm-up, so we're not going too deep. It's just warming up those hips and knees. Just check your toes are facing the chair or the wall in front. Just have a glance down and then look back up, straight ahead. I'm going to do 1 more. Okay, still nice and tall. We'll do press-ups on the wall for our next movement, but we're going to do it standing first of all, just to warm those shoulders up to prepare us for the main workout. Nice normal breath. Don't hold your breath. If you wish to do one hand, you could do one hand or both together. I think this is 7. 2 more. Good, and relax your hands. Okay, I'm going to do a lunge, but again, this is a nice easy movement first to begin with. We're just going to have a static lunge for this one. Just a slight bend in your knees, just to warm up those knee joints. Trying to get movement at the hip. And I am still using my chair. Good, feet together, other leg. So we're up on the back ball of the foot. We're facing forwards and both knees are bending just as far down as you feel comfortable. Again, it's a warm up, so don't make it too deep. We're just warming up those joints before the main. This is where my shoes start to squeak. I think we've got 2 more to do. Last one. Good, and then feet together. Okay, next one we'll do calf raise, so up onto your toes, and then slowly down, side on. Again, try and find something at eye level that you can look at and concentrate on throughout the exercise. Chairs there if you need. Or you may also be doing this by the desk, or maybe in the kitchen while that kettle's boiling. So you could use your worktops. I think I've got 2 more, but I've definitely lost count. Good, and relax. Okay, I'm going to use a plank on the wall. I'm going to step a step and a half away. I'm going to use our forearms. And I'm going to push out the side, but keep your head facing forwards. This is 4. Keep going if you can. Just make sure you don't arch your back, keeping your back nice and tall. This is 9. You've got 1 more to do. Good, and relax your hands down. Okay, we've got chin tucks, again against the wall. Heels as far back as you can. Keep the eyes looking forward and just take the chin back and then release it forwards. And try and make it a smooth movement. Don't worry if you can't get your head back to the wall. So again, it shouldn't be painful, but you should feel those muscles at the back pulling a little bit and just telling you that they are working. You may even feel it around your chest because you're now standing nice and tall. And you may also feel it in your legs, maybe at the back. And sometimes people say they feel it here as well. We'll do 2 more. And yeah, it does make our double chin look a bit bigger, but it's a really good exercise to do. And then relax. Okay, we're in from the top again. This time making our movements a bit bigger. So up with our toes, like before. Don't have to use the chair, but it does help. These are not easy to do, especially when you're keeping your back nice and straight without pushing your bottom out. Are you counting? This is 8. We've got 2 more to go. And relax. Good. Okay, we're going to do a squat this time. You can either do it on the chair or you can do it behind. I'm going to make my squat a bit bigger this time. Make sure your toes are facing forwards. We're going to look forwards and push your bottom back. Now remember, not everyone can go this low, so just go as low as you feel comfortable. Just thinking about pushing that bottom back and keeping that chest up. I think we've got 2 more to go. Good. Those muscles should feel a bit warmer. Next one, press ups against the wall again, like before. So, nice wide hand. Going to bend the elbows and lower the chest to the wall. And push back. Keep going, that's 6. Two more. And relax your hands. And remember, the further away you are from the wall, the harder it is. So you choose. Okay, next one. We're going to do forward lunge using your chair. So we're going to do a bigger step this time. And then bring the foot back to meet the other. I'm going to repeat on the same leg. But you can do alternate legs if you wish. Just make sure you're looking forwards, that chest is lifted. And if you can come up onto that back toe, so lift the heel up, just to get that ankle moving a bit more as you step. Okay, I'm going to change legs, change sides. Now again, we talked about possibly doing this in the kitchen. Maybe the worktop might be here and you want to step forward. As that kettle is boiling. You don't have to use the worktop, you could use arms if you want to. Just make sure you're looking ahead. I think we've got 1 more. Good, feet together. I'm going to lift those heels this time. Lift the heels up and slow down. Good. If you want to make it harder, you could add an arm or both arms if you wish, which adds to that element of balance. The less contact with the chair, the more challenging the exercise. I think this is 7. Once more. Good, relax those legs. Okay, we're going to do plank against the wall again. Yeah. So a good step and a half away from the wall, forearms on, looking ahead. More push out. This is 6. Keeping those eyes fixed on a point in front. We'll do one more set. Good. And relax your hands, maybe a bit of a shake. We've got one more to do, which is heels on the wall, taking the chin back, and then relaxing forwards. Remember to breathe, don't hold your breath. And we said before, you may feel it along the chest, you may feel it in the back of the neck, you may even feel it down the legs. But we're just moving those little muscles at the back of the neck. Do one more. Good. And relax, step away from that wall. So hopefully you felt like you've moved most of the body. I'd suggest going for a nice easy walk around the office just to lower that heart rate a little bit and hope you feel like you've had a workout.